known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me, everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me, everything feels like oh yeah.
Good morning guys, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. So today is video number 2 for our DIY barn door made out of existing doors on our wardrobe. So my plan today is, with the help of hubby, he's going to actually take off these 2 existing wardrobe doors. Now what we wanted to do, which I mentioned in my previous video, is we want to create one single barn door that will slide across this wall. So the plan is that we will take these off, we're going to join them together, and then we're going to shiplap over the top of the wall and create a design to make it one door. So it will then sit at the top and then slide across. So if that's something that interests you, this is a really inexpensive way for you to take existing doors without having to go out and buy more doors and create them into a barn door in a bedroom or possibly a linen cupboard. I did a DIY like this on our pantry door. And we turned our existing pantry door into a barn door. I'll leave that linked for you down below as well if you'd like to see that video. So without further ado, we're going to start now. This is video number 2 of my guest bedroom reveal, and I'm going to show you how we create that barn door. So we started first of all by removing both doors. Now what we're going to do here is first of all take off all the hardware, including this mirror that was stuck to one of the doors. Then what my hubby did is we liquid nailed the 2 doors together. Now while it was drying, we wanted to get a feel for our design. Now we had some of these leftover MDF strips, guys, that I used on my DIY barn door pantry door. Now what we're going to do is use this as well, but we probably won't have enough, so we will have to head to Bunnings. But you get the idea of what we're trying to do. So guys, what we've done so far is we've glued the 2 doors together. We're now going to head off to Bunnings to buy some brackets, and we're going to brace them together. Once that's all done, we're going to flip the door over, and then we're going to start with our MDF boards to make it look like shiplap. So we headed off to Bunnings and we picked up a barn door handle, as well as the hinges, and as well as getting some of this MDF cut into strips again. Now guys, my hubby absolutely loves Bunnings for this reason. They cut everything for you free of charge. So what we did is we picked out our MDF sheet and they cut it for us. Now we asked them to cut them at 120 millimeters each, so they would be the same as the ones that we had at home. Now guys, Bunnings have the most stunning barn doors for sale, but this one was $524. I wanted to prove to you you could get the same look with your existing doors. Now all up, my hubby and I spent $45 just on materials for transforming the two doors, and I was so happy that we saved that much money. Now once we were home, we took the silver plates and my hubby put one at the top and the bottom to make everything more secure. He also placed 4 across the middle. Once it was all secure, we flipped the doors over and then we took our first MDF strip and we added liquid nails. We then flipped it over and glued down the first strip. For some added support, he also added some nails. We then repeated the same steps for the second strip. Now guys, in order to resemble shiplap, we want you to know that to always try and leave a small gap in between the two strips. So guys, in order to space them out, my husband used a small nail here at the top and the bottom as a spacer. We continued to use the same method until the entire door was covered. Now off camera, my husband trimmed off any excess at the bottom until we had a nice neat look. Now this is when I was getting really excited and it's starting to resemble a barn door. What hubby is doing here, he's going to do a complete frame around the top of the door now. Using the same method, we then glued them down as well as nailing them on top. We then decided to add one large cross across the door, and I was so excited how this was looking. Placing the MDF in the corner, my husband is outlining here where he needs to cut so it'll sit nice and flush. Oh my goodness, you guys, can you believe that these were 2 wardrobe doors? I was so excited. So it's now time to paint my beautiful barn door, and I chose that beautiful French blue, which is called Blue Balm by Dulux. Guys, a big shout out has to go to my amazing hubby. He works so hard on this for me, and I could not bring this vision to you without his help. So it's now time to hang the door, and we got this barn door track set also from Bunnings, but you can also grab these online, guys. I see a lot of them on eBay as well as Amazon. My husband also added the black handle for me as well. Our finished barn door. Guys, I'm so happy with this. Can you believe that this was 2 wardrobe doors that we just joined together? This was a really simple and inexpensive project. Now, it did take all day, but it was really simple. My husband, what a trooper. I thank him all the time because really I could not bring my visions to life without him. He works so hard on this, guys. And the best part of all, this didn't cost a lot at all. We used the MDF all up. That was about $25 in materials. The handle, from memory, I think it was $6.95 or $7.95. And then we got the track, and the track is also from Bunnings, and that was $99. So all up, guys, it was a really inexpensive project compared to just buying an existing barn door from Bunnings. They go up to $500-600 in total. So I hope you've really enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to take an existing door throughout your home and get that barn door look for less. Now, this is video number 2. I will be sharing finally the glam bedroom reveal of my guest bedroom. I'm waiting on an electrician, guys, to put in my chandelier. So I'm hoping by the end of the week, I'll have the reveal up for you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap your notification bell so you'll be aware when I upload that video. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.